On this video, I'm demonstrating how to take apart the center console out of a 2015 650i. First, you take these side panels off. It's this panel right here, you just pop it off, boom. Then you pop this off, boom. Screw here, and the screw here. Screw here, and the screw here. Once you take that screw off, it's another screw that was here, but I just took it off. You take that off. Then that's what's gonna help remove all of this. A disassembly on the 2015 650 Coupe. Okay, once you get here to take the center console apart, also, you gotta, it's gonna be a screw here. And I think that's about it on this side. Yeah, just one screw. Once you take this off, it pops right off, as you can see. And then you just pull this up. It comes right up. And you gotta wiggle, and it'll come right out. And you take this wire off right here, that you can see. Hold on, let me get a little closer. Right here, you take this out. You pull it out towards you. And it comes right out. Let me see. Came right out. And I think it's one more wire that goes toward right here. Just one more. You pull it towards the steering wheel. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it. I'll be right back. Let me take that out. Once you get those wires off, you come to the side where my hand is here, and you just push this up. This comes up. I'm gonna do it again. Like if that was a drop in there. You just put your hand under here like so, and you push, and it comes up. Take that off. And then I'm gonna stop and come back. Then once you take the stuff out of here, you literally just pop it up, lift up, pull it down, lift upward, and it's out. What you do is you take this screw. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You take those 4 screws out. It's I'm gonna tell you the size now. It's T20 hex key. Take that out, then this pops right off. What you do with this part is it's basically like a hook. You gotta push it down, it snaps off, then you pull out, and it's off. You see the hook? Once you take this piece off with the hook, then you want to turn it over. You take this off. Basically, you just pull it out. Get a flathead or something. And let me see. For here, you go down here. It's another lock for the electronic. You lift this up and pull it out. Well, you can take it off, as you can see. You want to hold on 1 second. You want to lift it up and pull it right off. And there you go. We're inside. Video, you get this screw here, take that screw out. You take this out. It's also a T20 hex tool, which is this, and you screw them out. Moving up is this little piece right here. Right up, it's like the lip What you want to do is you want to pull this all off. Slowly and gently. Damn, that shit tight. Well, there you go. God damn. Pull it off, and there's 2 more screws here and also here. You screw those out with a T20 also. Once you take the radio off from here, what you do is you want to get your hand up under here. You want to pull it and it's going to pop. It's going to pop off basically like a mechanism. Take it off, boom. And there you go. There you have it. It's another screw here. There's also a screw here. Take those out with the T20. And if you want to take the navigation off, or the screen, the display, it's one right here. And also one right here. You take this off. You want to take this apart. And you got to take this off. This for the push to start. And this also. Once you do that, then if you like, you know, there's 2 screws right there, and pretty much you pop the radio out also. Here it comes right out. You take these off, but how you take these off is you push down here in the back. Hold on. And you push forward and it slides up itself out. Or you continue pushing and it pushes out by itself. Also the same for this side. You push down in the back and you push forward and it slides out by itself. And you pull it off. There's the radio. Basically, with this is 2 screws that you're gonna see on top right here with these covers. You gotta pop these covers off the back right here. It's a cover. You pop this off. There's gonna be 2 screws, one right here and also one right here. Once you pop that off, this literally is gonna pop off. You pull it off, boom. And there you go. If you want to take the plastic piece off also, it's just 2 more screws right here and also right here. And then you take these 2 off. This one, you just push down. Slowly pull out. That's off, and this one. You squeeze these 2 mechanisms on the side and you pull it off. Then you just pull this and there you go. It's off. And you want to take the radio out. You pull this. It's a screw here. It's also the T20 hex key. It's a screw. It's gonna be right here, and also right here, and also right here, and also right here. You take those out, and the radio just literally pulls right out. And then you do the same here. You push down and pull them out.